There's one back here chasing it. Oh, it's got, oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, walleye? I think it's a walleye. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Pooping on me. Bro, he just sharted everywhere.
Oh my god.
Oh my, oh, come on, oh God, I'm falling. No, don't come off. Let's go. Dang, look at all those people. Dang, who are you?
It's so cold.
Why do you think there's no people here?
It's so cold.
That's right, it's like 40 degrees out and it's a little breezy. It's very cold, very nipply. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Bad Bass Fishing. Me and your boy Austin, we're back at it again. We decided to regroup and attempt to catch fish because we're starving and we need crappie. So why not go to our favorite little trim and dam here and see if we can't catch ourselves some crappie or white bass or something. We got buzzards over here. I don't know what they're doing in the trash can there, but they're everywhere. A little creepy, but we'll manage. But I'm gonna throw the old GoPro down, or we're gonna throw the old GoPro on, walk down there. It's pretty shallow, but it's very wet and cold. And I'm not gonna bring this camera down there because my luck I drop it and break it, so yeah. So, see you guys on the GoPro. There's all fish jumping down here, bro.
There's life.
There's life. I don't know if I want to bring my camera all the way out there, but you know what? F it, dude. Dude, free lures. Dude, there's a jerkbait right here. No way. Free jerkbait, Austin. Look at that color. Whoa. If I can get it off here. Wow. That makes up for the 77 that I lost. Nice, free lure. Oh my gosh, look, they're up here. They're literally up in like a foot of water.
Are you guys right there?
Huh? Do you want to stand on that rock? How slick is this rock? Not very. Here we go, first cast. Oh wow, I have like no braid on my pole, so if I hook like a spoon cat, we're dead.
Oh god, bro, I don't want to hook a spoon cat today.
I don't think we'll hook any spoon cats today. Dude, there's so much shad popping right now. Dude, that's gotta be like white bass busting on them. I'm telling you, they're all up in here. I bet that slider murders. The old heron. I think it's because we're like actually down here and not thinking about it because we're like, oh, got one? Big one? White? That's gotta be a white. Oh, doubled up? No? Oh, I missed him. White?
Yeah, I think so. Yep.
Oh, bro. Oh, you snagged it. Dang.
Yeah.
There we go.
Man.
Bro, you snagged him right in the poop hole. No, not really. God. Here you go, buddy. You want a picture with them?
Nah, I'm good.
Alright, well, there's Austin's white bass. Want me to just toss him back?
Yeah.
Alright, there's not really. I'm just gonna yeet him on over there. He's fine.
So
He's a tough one. You snagged him.
Oh, was that a thing?
Yeah, you can't keep snag fish. Oh. Oh.
This one?
Bro, he's hitting it. He was hitting it. There's one back here chasing it. Oh, it's got, oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, walleye? I think it's a walleye.
Oh.
Or a big bass. Oh my God, is that is that a walleye? Oh my God. No, it's a bass? Oh.
That's a bass.
Oh my God. Is that a spot? Dude, bro, this is a big spotted bass, I think.
I can't. It doesn't...
No, that's a bass, right? Definitely a bass, don't have teeth. Oh my God.
Multi-species.
Oh, there's a freaking, I'm pretty sure it's a spot. I've never caught a spot this big. Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
Multi-species.
Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I think it's a spot. Look at his mouth, itty bitty. Dude, there's another one blowing back up there. Let's get this on camera and then I'm gonna cast back over that gate. Might be weird angles because we're all over these rocks, but look at this. This spotted bass. Just over here, I mean, there's only 1.5 feet of water over there, but they're chasing shad up shallow. I mean, we saw shad up in these rocks and just inches of water. But this guy decided to bite the old lipless over there. Pretty wicked. We're gonna let this guy go though. All right, yep. All right, say goodbye to our buddy here. Oh, come on. Oh, there he goes. Peace out, buddy. Thanks for biting. Dude, that's insane. I feel like we're gonna have a heyday. That's my PB spotted bass, if that's a spot. And I'm almost sure that's a spot. Bro, they're still popping back here. I'm just gonna keep throwing back here.
Yeah, they're popping everywhere.
Yeah, bro, I think we're gonna slay them. Oh, I just got smoked. All right, we've caught a white and we've caught a spotted bass. This is just gonna be a multi-species video. We're just gonna slay out on them. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
Right there. Oh God, we're gonna die, Austin. Trying to get those angles. Oh baby. That's right. No way, I got one. Oh, I had one, I unsnagged and then had one. It's crazy. I thought I was gonna die for a half minute there. I think I'm gonna stand back on my dangerous rock here and flip on back here again. So I had one, as soon as it popped off, I had one take off with it. But oh, there we go. What we got? Here we go. Oh, is that another bass? Oh my God. No way. Is that another spot? Oh my God. Bro. This is insane. Look at how fat this one is. Oh my God, Austin. I'm on the sketchy rock in mucks, but I'm slaying out on spotted bass. Look at that. Dude. We are. I'm insane. Look at that. That's a beautiful fish. I'm 90% sure these are spots though. But I know, 2 of them. Like maybe there's a school of spots back there. It's crazy. Oh, you got hooked up? Big? Doubled up? Little double action? What you got? Spot? Oh, it is a. Oh, that's a white. Dang. Austin's hooked up with the white over there.
Doubled up.
We've got the spotted bass on the rocks. All right, we're gonna let this buddy go. Here you go, bud. See you later. Thanks for biting. Today's fishing is already insane. 2 whites, 2 bass. Let's see who catches the most.
Honestly, worth not showing up at 6 in the morning.
Oh yeah, we'd have been freezing and probably not catching anything, or we'd have been slaying out. Who knows? Dang, that is a pretty nice fish. Nice little white, doubled up.
Doubled up, man.
Dang, on the jig, and then I'm throwing the old lipless.
It's a good day.
Oh yeah, we're slaughtering them.
Good start.
Oh yeah. All right, let's get a release on this bud.
Oh God, it's kind of cold.
Just drop her all down in there.
Hope she goes. Oh, she
later.
left right away.
Dude, look at this. They're blowing up right here. And they're
Right.
blowing up right here. And they're blowing up right there. Today's fishing so far has been crazy. Like,
Only the real fishermen get this blow up.
oh yeah, like only the real MVPs get to catch fish like this. But yeah, 2 spots, 2 whites.
Dang.
They're still blowing up. We're going for crappie, maybe some walleye. We're just gonna catch anything really. We're just out here filming a banger for you guys, so enjoy. All right, we went up to the car, switched out the GoPro battery, grabbed another rod with the old jerk bait on it, because these fish are feeding on shad imitation baits and shad in general. So we're gonna match the old hatch, try not to die here, and catch us some fish. Oh, that was a big fish.
Like they're all up in there.
Oh yeah, that was a big fish.
I've caught the white back out here.
Oh, he broke the bill off my jerkbait. Let's take a look. Species number 3 for the day. Dang, 3 species already. We haven't even been here an hour. Look at that. Nice little drum. Nice. Oh my gosh, there's something blowing up over here.
Bro, the catfish.
Dude, you think if I just wonder if I just cast it back? I wonder if I just cast it way back in here. Oh God, it's a little wet. This is literally like a foot of water. I'm just throwing right off the edge of this rock. Big? Catfish? Oh my God. No, he ate. Here, I'll help him. Come and help.
Multi-species!
Bro, this is the most insane multi-species day ever. Look at that. What is that, channel? Nice little channel?
Yeah. Dang, bro. Multi-species!
That's what? Four
That's
species?
4.
We got white,
I have
spotted bass, drum, and catfish. Bro, crazy. Nice catch, dude.
We need more of these.
Yeah, we need more eaters. Guys, this is insane. We're slaying out. Well, Austin's slaying out. Might have to switch to a slider. It's catching everything. It's caught 3 species for him. I've only caught 2 spotted bass. But hopefully we can connect with some. What is on his side? Why does it look like that?
The spikies.
Yeah, he's got little bumps on his side or something.
Yeah, they're on this side too.
But hopefully we connect with some more white bass and catfish so we can not starve the night. Dang. Nice catch, bro.
Thanks.
Nice. There we go. Finally. Oh, it's not bad. There we go. Oh my God, he's angry. I don't know, big white. What we got? Oh, that might be a hybrid. He's big. Oh, bull, bro. Oh, come on. Oh God, I'm falling. No, don't come off. Let's go. Oh my God, I'm pretty sure. Look how fat this thing is. Oh my God. Holy cow, look how big this thing is.
I was like, a white doesn't.
That is a chunk. No, I think that's a big white, Austin. Its stripes aren't broke. Look at this. Tanker. I'm pretty sure it's just a big white. The stripes are connected, so which makes me, oh, what the? Is he pooping on me? Bro, he just sharted everywhere.
Oh.
Gross. Oh, he's still pooping. Look at that though. Nice little white bass. Not even little, he's a tanker, bro. Crazy. Alright.
Stop.
I'm gonna keep him. Yeah. Dude, I need to find it. Oh, there's one. Here we go. That's a little white. Or it might be a crappie. Nah, that's gotta be a white.
I've never caught a spot.
Is that a spot? I can't tell. I don't know if it's a spot or a smallie. No, it's a small. It's gotta be a spot, right? Guys, let me know in the comments. I'm pretty sure it's a spot, but I don't know. I don't think there's smallmouth over here. That's the thing. And it's not as dark to be a smallmouth, I think, so. Yeah. Dang. Another spot. That's all I know how to catch. Alright. See you. Oh, we'll let you out of here. Bye, buddy. Thanks for biting. There we go. Oh, that's a nice fish. What we got? That's a nice one. This is a big fish. Big. Oh my God. No, please don't come off. Please don't come off. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh. Popped right out the last second. Please don't come off. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh. Popped right out the last second. Oh my God. This is my. Did we just break my PB spot twice in the same day? Oh my God. Look at the belly on this thing.
Oh my God.
Holy cow, you can tell this dude's been eating freaking shad. Oh my God, this is crazy. On the old slider. This is what, my 3rd spot, 4th spot?
4th, I think.
4th spot, and this is my biggest spot for sure. I kind of want to weigh him. I want to see how much he weighs, but holy cow, look at this.
That's insane.
Oh, my scale's up in my car. All right, I'm not. Okay, I have to get my scale, right?
Put him.
All right, we're gonna get a release on this dude. Thanks for biting, buddy. You were an absolute tanker of a fish. Where you going? No.
Is he coming back?
No, go the other way. Other way. Here you go. Get out here. There you go. Woo! I cannot explain how crazy the fishing is right now. Like, this is the best day of my life. One of the best days, I guess, but it's up there and one of my top fishing days for sure. Whew. Ooh, Austin hooked up with something big.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Big. That's a big one. Holy cow.
Is it moving?
That has to be a fish, right?
Oh. Oh, it came off.
Say, that thing, it was moving.
Oh.
Holy cow, that was a tank. That's what I'm saying, guys. It is crazy cold. Not very windy, but
there was a scale on it.
Oh, it was big carp or something. It's a big carp.
There was a scale, it fell off.
But, I mean, the multi-species fishing is crazy. Everything is chasing shad. Oh, God.
Oh,
oh! Crazy. We're going to get back to fishing. See if we can catch a couple more fish and finish out this whole banger. is wrong? What is up with these fish? That's 5 spotted bass in the same spot, literally right off that big rock. I think 2 of them came from these rocks along the wall here, but other than that, these all 3 came off that big wall on a freaking slider. Crazy.
That's
God.
insane.
It's a nice fish, isn't it? God, they fight so hard. Crazy.
I still have never caught one. I might throw over there sometime.
Might have to. This is literally the craziest day of fishing. All right, well, white bass, big white bass, catfish, 5 spots. What'd you catch? 4 or 5 whites?
Yeah,
and
a catfish and a drum.
And a drum. This is insane. Literally the best day. We're gonna give them.
Oh,
that was an awful idea.
She splashed.
But anyways, I think we're gonna end it there. I mean, we slaughtered the fish. I feel like I had enough content to make a freaking good video. I mean, caught my personal best spotted bass twice. Not once, but twice. I'm like super hyped. Like, this is the best day of my life. Best day of Austin's life. Maybe, I don't know.
It's pretty close.
Pretty close. But anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys want more like dam fishing videos or like below the dam fishing videos, let me know in the comments below. I mean, we can come out target catfish, white bass, walleye, I don't know, spotted bass apparently. I didn't know about that. Anything, just let me know in the comments below. Or leave a thumbs up also if you want to see more videos like this, because honestly, this is some of my favorite fishing by far this year. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If this is over 700, just letting you guys know, every 50 subscribers, we're giving away free lures. Just letting you guys know. So subscribe, free lures. You have a chance, just maybe. So we'll catch you guys on the next episode of Bad Bass Fishing. And like always, folks, stay hooked.